Soyez le bienvenu. Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Hope you're fine and doing well. Let's go back with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes po tayo. Learn French the easy way. Today's verb is souhaiter or to wish. Souhaiter to wish or to hope for something. Kaya ang picture natin is she's wishing. Okay? Elle souhaite quelque chose. Okay? She's not praying. Like praying, no? Pag nag-wish tayo, no? And that means she's serious. Example, elle souhaite voyager en France. Okay? Mga nag-wish dyan na magbiyahe sa France. Or in Canada because they speak French. This is simple, useful, and perfect to express your dreams. Don't come and visit France now, or Paris, or Canada. So, are you ready to conjugate the verb souhaiter au present tense? Let's go. Le verbe souhaiter. Souhaiter is to wish. I'm wishing au present tense. Okay, example. This is another verb in premier group with it ends with OR. Okay? So how do we conjugate the verb souhaiter, to wish? Okay? Je souhaite OS ang dulo. Il souhaite, he wishes. Elle souhaite, on souhaite. Nous souhaitons, vous souhaitez. Il souhaite, elle souhaite. Okay? So, we repeat. Je souhaite, tu souhaites, il souhaite, elle souhaite, on souhaite, nous souhaitons, vous souhaitez, il souhaite, with ONT, elle souhaite. Okay, yung je souhaite is I wish, and then you wish, he or she or one wishes, then we wish, then you wish, and they wish. Okay? Elle souhaite voyager en France. She wishes to travel to France. And then nous souhaitons apprendre le français. We wish to learn French. I wish everybody knows how to speak and then they will learn French. And they wish to pass their exams. Ils souhaitent réussir leur examen, soit DELF, soit TCF. Donc, ils souhaitent réussir leur examen. It means they wish to pass their exam. So, je souhaite que vous allez écouter et apprendre la langue française. Comme ça, vous parlez bien la langue française. Et please don't forget, je souhaite que vous like, subscribe at i-comment po for more videos or more verb to conjugate au présent. Au présent pa lang po tayo dyan, no? We can use this in our everyday lives. And I hope to see you again. Merci beaucoup po. Au revoir.